Today we're going to start doing some more tech videos on this channel. Um, the first one, and one of the most basic things about any Tippmann marker, the 98s, the A5s, even the X7s and the X7 Phenoms, one of the most basic maintenances you can perform is to replace the ball latch. You're going to need to replace the ball latch, and this is a ball latch. It's a little orange piece. You would replace this if paintballs are falling out of your barrel without you pulling the trigger, if they're just rolling out, or if you see a piece is nicked out, you'd want to replace it, or if it's just missing altogether. So I'm going to show you how to do that on a 98 Custom Platinum Series. It's going to be the same for all the 98s, except for it won't be the split grips, it'll be one receiver. And this is also pretty much the same on the A5s and the X7s, just a little bit different. So I already went ahead and removed all of the receiver screws with my 1/8 Allen key. So just took all those out. And so then we're to the point where we open up the gun. So on the Platinum Series, there's the split grips. So I'm going to do the back side first. We're just going to pull that off. And a lot of the times the sear here will kind of pop out of position, or the spring at least. And so we're going to put that back the way it's supposed to go. And then the next part is pulling off this other receiver part. So now we're into the guts of the gun. Hold this up so you guys can see it. That is the inside of your 98. So then right here, you can see there is a slot that looks like it's made perfectly for that detent, or the ball latch I was holding up earlier. And that's exactly where you're going to put it. So then it goes in like this, so that this flap is not going to get caught. If it was like this when the gun fires, the bolt would actually rip that off. So it's going to go in this way, and you can just put some pressure on it and let it sink into the slot. And so now it's in there. You see it's depressed by the front bolt. So that's all there is to this. So then basically we're just going to make sure everything's back the way it is supposed to be. Everything's in here right. And we're going to go ahead and replace or put back on the receiver front first for the Platinum Series. That goes on just like that. And then the rear. So then after that, we're going to take all of our receiver bolts, and with our 1/8 Allen wrench, we're just going to put them back in. I'm not going to show this, you guys get the picture. All of them go back in. And that is how you replace the ball latch. Again, that's going to be, you would need to replace that if you are having paintballs that are just rolling out of your barrel nonstop, or it's damaged or just missing, because sometimes they will just shoot out of the gun. You would need to replace that. Alright guys, so this was the first tech video I'm going to do for you. If there's anything you want to see regarding maintenance or tech videos, just go ahead and leave a comment. And the most popular ones, when I have the time, I'll go through and break down the problems and steps on how to fix what you guys need. If this video helped you out at all, give it a like. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech videos in the future. Thanks.